Hey guys, just a quick little update on our new shop showroom. It's a small room, it's probably 12 by 12, but we put all our doors on display on the wall here, as you can see. I'll probably do another video showcasing each design and go more in depth showcasing each door and stuff. But anyway, this was an office and it was really in bad condition. The only thing worth saving in here was basically the crown molding, and kind of regret not taking down the crown molding now. I'll tell you that in a second. Like the window had no jambs, the window was destroyed, the window frame. So I had to redo all the window frame. Let me see if I can turn on the light in here. Probably help with lighting. Yeah, probably help. But anyway, so I did a stool and apron. We milled our own casing, our own design, our own profile. We even milled our own baseboard and shoe mold. And so, yeah, we put new jambs on the windows. We rebuilt and repainted the window frame. Did a stool and apron window. The front door had actually no jambs whatsoever, no casing. So I wanted to change the floor, but I just ran out of time. And again, we milled our own casing. It's our own profile, our own design. See if I can, we added a back bend as well right here, which is really nice, the back bend. The paint came out really good. It's light French gray from Sherwin-Williams. Then this wall here, the fluted wall, a previous tenant had painted this wall black and he used it, I guess, as a chalkboard. And I really didn't want to have to use like 3 coats of Ben shellac to cover the black and all the magic marker that was on it. So us being carpenters, I came up with the idea of doing a fluted wall. So we milled our own flutes. And the idea was to really, what I wanted to do is take only half the wall and run the flutes up to the ceiling. But because there was crown molding, and that meant taking down the crown molding, and again, I just didn't want to get into that. So I milled a thin piece of basically a Roman OG and attached it to the bottom of the piece of the crown there so that the flutes just fit nice and parallel and flush into the crown. And then this is a new door that I made by hand. Well, made everything here by hand. And yeah, so, and that's our new showroom. I still have to put in the plugs and everything, and maybe still do a little bit of touch-up painting here and there, but my pot lights as well I put in, and yeah. So these are all our doors on display. Come visit us. You're all welcome. If you're ever in the market to reface, or you want to just change the look of your kitchen, we can save you thousands of dollars by milling you any design door that you like. Here we have 15 of them. We have, I'm going to get into it later on with a separate video, but the skinny shaker here is a really popular one here. And then we have the rounded skinny shaker with the radius there. And this one is a new design from Italy, basically. So it looks like it's a framed door with a shaker inside. It's really cool. Then we have the double shaker up there in the corner, which is a huge seller as well. This is a trendy door, the fluted door. Yeah, so we'll probably do a video showcasing each door like I said earlier. This one's my favorite though, before I leave. This one here, the cottage country one. Cottage design, that's a really beautiful door. It's a cool door. So thanks for stopping by, and talk soon.